Menteri Sarkar beripet ikatanat social welfare bat kumjuru ikatanat jengok kai perthai nalor kiwaipan ubak pol lingdo mentang sengi ka khatlai tarik ujilio arja arpulai ula pli patba ikat national workshop ka baar sengi ya ka balapenlong da ka Sangkar Dev College halor ka jingpen krek ka G20 jan bhagidari halor ka jingpen trai kam ya ka national education policy arja arpho bat ka jingpen let jingmut bakerpang halor ka foundation literacy numeracy ka baha papo ka jingpet ka nipun Meghalaya. Hakane ka sengi beplay kene ka national workshop ka ba sengi laya don lang da ki principal jong ki college prepare jong kanong ba bat kumjuru ki board penyat jong ki school nakaliang Dr. R Kharkongor ubari convener ula ajeng kran halor kene ka jingtmu jong kene ka national workshop ka ba sengi ya ka balapan long da ka college.
The National Education Policy NEP 2020, which is India's first education policy of the 21st century, aims to address the many growing developmental imperatives of our country. Among these is the problem of a weak foundational stage that exists as one of the most pressing issues of our educational system, where the early learners fail to develop important attributes such as basic skills in language, numeracy, spatial ability, critical thinking, among others. This weakness becomes apparent at higher levels as the learner fails to understand and apply more advanced concepts, ultimately defeating the purpose of education. Through the NEP 2020, the Government of India aims to address this and other aspects of learning at various levels of education, especially early childhood care and education (ECCE). In this context, the NEP 2020 has rightly stated that the ECCE is the foundation of learning. Hence, the foundation stage, which focuses on children in the age range of 3 to 8 years, is the most important stage in the learning process for students. The NEP 2020 articulates a very clear goal that every child in the age range of 3 to 8 years must have access to free, safe, high quality, developmentally appropriate early childhood care and education by the year 2025. In light of this, the NEP 2020 aims to provide holistic, quality ECCE, and to this end, effect the designing of a curriculum that ensures the continuity of learning from one level to the next. The National Curriculum Framework for Foundational Stage 2022 intends for ECCE to be qualitative and well integrated so as to improve the content and thereby the outcome of education, and in doing so, bring about a positive impact on the lives of our children and equip them for a better future.
Habakran kumukong san ubak pol lingdo ulaong bakanong ba Shillong haki por ki bala letna kala yo ikanam kum ke jaka pdeng haka pule puthi pdeng ki jylla ka than chatai lammi ni bat da ka jingdon jong ka national education policy kalong ka badon kam ban yo biang ya ka tai kanam ka bal du no mental.
Shillong was the education hub of East India, and it was always with pride that when I traveled, I remember traveling to Dhaka and meeting the elite, the best minds of Dhaka, and I was strangely surprised that quite a few of them mentioned Shillong as their first stop of learning. They all had their background of education in Shillong. We need to instill confidence in our kids, in our school and college going children, that we have it in us to be not only better than what we are, but to be on top of the world. The sky is the limit. Shillong has produced and has inspired the best of minds. One of the best definitions that I have come across about education comes from the Irish poet William Butler Yeats, when he said, education is not the filling of a pail, it is the lighting of a spark. Let us take up this challenge, because your motto as a college is from darkness into light. So today, at the start of the workshop, all I can say by way of carrying the torch and beginning the workshop today is to encourage each one of us that in order for Meghalaya to re-emerge as a hub of education and learning, it is entirely up to each one of us to rediscover the spark, revisit our history, and to also know that this place has inspired and given birth to folk tales, legends, poetry, literature of what I would consider amongst the best in the world. And once we find pride in that legacy, we should be able to spread the word around that merit is in our DNA. Merit is in our DNA. We are capable. We have the potential, we have the gift of doing it, starting with young kids who are the focal point of this workshop on foundational literacy and numeracy.